Good day, learners. You are welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to be looking at mathematics, and our subtopic in mathematics that we are going to be talking about is experimental probability. Experimental probability. Before we venture properly into this subtopic, if you are a new member on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell for my subsequent content. When you click the bell, click the personify so that you can be seeing my subsequent content. For our returning members that believe in us, don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment as you move on with the channel. So let us proceed. Experimental probability is calculated using the results of an experiment that has been carried out many times. That is, the experiment that has been carried out many times and the result has been proven. So we use the results to calculate the probability. Let us now buttress our point using different examples. Example 1. Some families were measured by the number of children they have. So give the following frequency distribution: number of children and the number of families. Number of children, at 0, we have 12 families that have 0 children. We have 28 families that have 1 child. 22 families that have 2 children. 8 families that have 3 children, 2 families that have 4 children, and so on like that. Then we have 2 families with 4 children, another 2 families with 5 or more children. Use this information to calculate the probability that another family of this type will have A, 2 children, B, 3 or more children, C, less than 2 children. Since we know that probability, it means the number of possible outcomes over number of required outcomes. So in this case, the first thing to do is to find the number of families. That is total number. So this is our, let's call this our X, and this our Y or F. That is number of frequencies. Frequency means the number of times the children occurs. So we have to find total number of frequency. So let me say summation of F, meaning 12 plus 28 plus 22 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So when you sum it up, so what do we have? So the total number of frequency here gives 74. Now question A is to find the number of 2 children. Number of 2 children. How many 2 children do we have? This is 2. Let's trace it down. We have 22. The probability of 2 children will equals to the number of 2 children divided by summation of F, which gives 22 divided by 74. 2 goes here, we have 11. 2 goes here, we have 37. So our answer is 11/37. So the probability of 2 children is 11/27. Second one is 3 or more. We want to find the probability of 3 or more. Probability of 3 children or more children. Let's come here. This is 3 children. So or more means from this 3 to 4 to 5 upward. So probability of 3 and 4 and 5. So the number of 3 or more will be equals to, from here, 8 plus 2, then plus 2. So we have 8 plus 2, we have 10. 10 plus 2, we have 12. Then probability of 3 or more will now equal to 12 over total number that we calculated here is what? 74. So 2 goes here, we have 6. 2 goes here, we have 37. Then we have 6 over 37. Now, the last one is to find the probability of less than 2 children. When we say less than 2 children, we start from these 2. What number are less than 2? 1 is less than 2, 0 is less than 2. Since 1 and 0 are less than 2, so we look for the number of 1 and that of 0. So in this case, we have number of less than 2 which equals to 28 plus 12. 28 plus 12, which gives 40. The probability of less than 2 now equals to 40 divided by total number that we have here is 74. 40 divided by 74. 2 goes here, we have 20. 2 goes here, we have 37. So we have 20 over 37. So this is how to go about the experimental probability. So let's proceed. Example 2. The table below shows the amount of money which some students possess in their wallet at a given time. We have the amount in naira 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the number of students. The amount 1 naira. Number of students, 1 student has 1 naira. 3 students have 2 naira. 2 students have 3 naira. 5 students have 4 naira. And 1 student has 5 naira. 4 students have 6 naira. If a student is choosing at random from the group, what is the probability that the student has A, 4 naira, B, 2 naira? Question A. Number of students that have 4 naira. Number of students that have, this is naira. Then you go to this 4, you trace it downward. So number of 4 naira, how many? That is 5. The probability of 4 naira will now be the number of 4 naira, which is what? 5 over total number. So we need to get total number here. Let's say summation of the number of students, let's say F. So we sum it up. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2, 6, plus 5, 11, 12, then plus 4, that is 16. So in this case, we have 5 over 16. So the second one is to find the probability of 2 naira. Number of 2 naira. Let's go to 2 naira. This is 2 naira, and the number is 3. So probability of 2 naira will now equals to the number of 2 naira over total number, which is 3 over total number there is 16. So which means that the probability of that 2 naira is 3 over 16. Example 3. Given the mass in kilogram and number of students, 55 kilogram, we have 4 students that have 55 kilogram, 7 students that have 56 kilogram, and so on like that. The table above shows the masses to the nearest kilogram of 50 students. Of what? 50 students. Meaning that the total number of students, when we continue adding this together, total number of students, the summation will give us 50. 50 students in a class. If a student is choosing at random, what is the probability that he has mass of at least 58 kilograms? Look at that word, at least. We have to understand the meaning of at least and at most. When we say at least 58 kilograms, at least means minimum of 58, from 58 and above. While at most mean maximum. If I say at most 58, it means that when you start counting from 1, 2, 3, the highest number you can get to is 58. But if we say at least 58, it means minimum number is 58, maximum number is to the infinity. So it has no maximum, it's to the infinity. Now, we're now told to find the probability that the student has mass of at least 58 kilograms. Let's go up. At least 58 means from 58 and above. So now we all know that the summation here, the total number of students, which is summation F, which is this one, will be 4 plus 7 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 9. And we are told they are 50. So let us sum it up. So it is 50. Now, number of at least 58 kilograms will now be this 58, 10 plus 8 plus 9, which gives what? This is 18 plus 9, we have 27. Now, probability of at least 58 kilograms with the number of at least 58, that is 27 that we got, over 50. Is anything, can anything goes in 27 and 50? Nothing can go. So our probability here is 27 over 50. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this topic so interesting, and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. And do not forget also to share, like, and leave a comment. Example 4. Given this table, number of pets 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the number of students that owns the pets. Then the number of students that owns the pets. 8 students have no pets. 4 students have 1 pet. 5 students have 2 pets. 10 students have 3 pets. While 3 students have 4 pets. The table shows the number of pets kept by 30 students. So we have been told the total number of students to be 30 in a class. If a student is picked at random from the class, what is the probability that he or she kept more than 1 pet? Now, he or she kept more than 1 pet. Look at that word, more than 1 pet. Going to this one, to check for more than 1, we are going to look for the 2, 3, and 4 upward. So, number of more than 1 pet is going to be 5 plus 10 plus 3, which gives 18. Fine. Then, total number of students. Let's say summation F. Let me have summation F. Total number of students will be 8 plus 4 plus 5 plus 10 plus 3. And we are told they are 30. Then, probability of more than 1 pet, will be equals to number of more than 1 pet, which is 18, over total number, which is 30. 2 goes in 18, we have 9. 2 goes in 30, we have 15. Then 3 here, we have 3. 3 here, we have 5. So we have 3 over 5. So to calculate this, we have this. You can see that experimental probability also is one of the simplest subtopics in probability. And if you are a new member on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do well to turn on your notification bell for my subsequent content. I remain your tutor, Latif Ismaila Akobi. I will see you in my next class. Thank you.